Welcome back. Now, if you are collecting the name and email address of individuals that become part of your group, you can use Zapier to transfer information out of school. One reason to do that would be that you want to add the individuals from your school account to your email marketing list. And so to do that, you're going to go to the create area. You're going to create a Zap. What you're then going to do is you're going to start with the trigger. And the trigger is going to be school. We will click on school. And we will assume that your school account has been connected. And so the event that we're going to be working with in school is going to be that the membership questions have been answered. And so when membership questions are answered, this action is going to be set in motion inside of Zapier. So what we can now do is we can then click continue. You will need to select the school account that you're going to be using in order to set this action in motion. And what we need to do now is to test the trigger to make sure that there is information inside of school that we can use in order to transfer to another platform. So we're going to click on Test Trigger. And you're going to see information from inside of your school account. And so this is the trigger side of transferring information out of school. Next step we need to undertake is to set up the action. Okay, so with that, thanks. And